Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I got oozits and whatsits, good lord. You want thinking of bobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see 'em dancing, walking around on those, what you call 'em, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Better on land, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. And I'm ready to know what the people know. Ask them some questions and get some answers. What is a fire and why does it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? When I love to explore that shore above. Out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that world.
Well done, Rosie, well done. Louise, what do you think of Rosie's performance?
Rosie, I think, visually you could see you really enjoyed that song, and you had fun with it. You really kind of put your own performance into it. You gave us a bit of a story. I think in terms of vocals, it was really quite pitchy all the way through. Your phrasing and your breathing isn't quite there. Even like the placement of some of the phrases and the notes wasn't quite there. But that comes with experience and help, and that's what we're here for. We're here to help you, So I think definitely like some form of coaching will help you massively. But in general, I just think it was a bit of a poor song choice. But definitely, speak to all of us in the week and ask us for our opinions. Ask us, what you think of this song, or can you recommend a song for me to try? And we'll be more than happy to help you. But I think the song choice did you no justice, really. But I do think you've got potential. You have got a voice there. It wasn't a bad performance. It just wasn't that strong. It just wasn't all there for us, for me anyway. But I've got to take my hat off to you. Well done for giving it a go, and well done for enjoying yourself. We could see you enjoying it. Well done.
Kelly?
I think in comparison to just the song choice you did for your audition, I think this kind of fell a little bit flat vocally. So I think my advice would be to sort of get some vocal training so that performance-wise, your performance was fantastic. I just think that vocally is where you're going to need a little bit of work. But I love your dedication, you know, having said about the vocals, your dedication and the fact that, you know, how much passion you actually put in to a performance was like second to none. It was beautiful to watch. You get in the zone and you stay in the zone and you're completely lost in that song, and that was fantastic. And I think my favourite part of the whole performance was the ending, where you just went really reserved and really pulled back. And it was just really soft, and it really sort of conveyed the sort of the meaning of the song. So there's no issues there whatsoever with how you perform and how you interpret a song. Just needs a little bit of tuning on the vocal, but apart from that, it was fab. Well done.
Yeah, Rosie, I mean, it's again, you're young, you're new to the business, you're still learning a lot of things, and again, when somebody comes to the process like yourself, this is what we are to do. You know, you might go some places and you won't get the right advice, or people telling you that there is work to be done, but there is clearly work to be done vocally. And I think because you're young, you're kind of picking songs that maybe you enjoy, and sometimes it's not all about that. And I know people say you've got to enjoy it. It isn't all about that, because I sing songs that I absolutely feel sick singing, but people say they sound good, so I do them, you know. So sometimes it's just about exploring, taking advice from people, learning. You can inbox any of us for advice on songs and things like that. And again, I definitely think coaching could really benefit you. You know, you're young, you still need to learn how to pitch things correctly and things like that. So just keep doing what you're doing. You know, you're young, you're learning, and just keep challenging yourself. But again, we are here to give you advice. Well done.